SciCuriousID presents. Every summer, someone tries it cracking an egg onto the pavement to cook it in the sun. It's a fun myth, a science experiment, and a viral video tradition. But can the pavement really get hot enough to cook an egg? Let's separate fact from fried fiction.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
The idea isn't new. For decades, people have joked about sidewalks being hot enough to fry an egg. The phrase became so popular that towns like Oatman, Arizona even host annual egg frying contests each July. But behind the fun lies a question of physics. How much heat do you really need to cook an egg? Cooking an egg isn't just about heat, it's about chemistry. The clear liquid part of an egg, the albumin, is mostly protein and water. Those proteins stay coiled until they reach about 63 degrees Celsius, when they start to unfold and solidify. A properly cooked egg usually needs temperatures between 70 degrees Celsius and 80 degrees Celsius. So, can pavement reach that hot? On a scorching summer day, air temperatures might hit 40 degrees Celsius, but asphalt or concrete absorbs sunlight and gets much hotter. Dark asphalt can reach up to 60 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Celsius, sometimes more in desert climates. That's definitely hot to touch, but still not quite enough to actually cook an egg. Unlike a pan, the pavement doesn't hold heat well or conduct it evenly. The top layer cools quickly when the egg's moisture hits it, and the heat spreads out instead of staying concentrated. You might see some parts of the egg turn white. That's partial protein denaturation, but it won't cook through. In most sidewalk egg challenges, people secretly cheat by using a metal pan or foil sheet on the ground. Metal conducts heat much better than concrete, concentrating the sunlight enough to raise the temperature over 70 degrees Celsius. With the right conditions, intense sun, no wind, and a shiny surface, it can actually work. Fun fact, the official solar egg frying contest in Oatman, Arizona allows contestants to use mirrors or reflectors to boost the heat. It's less about cooking breakfast and more about creative solar science. This simple myth is a perfect example of thermodynamics in action. Heat transfer depends on three things: conduction, convection, and radiation. Pavement absorbs plenty of sunlight, but loses heat quickly to the air, making it a poor cooking surface. Metal, by contrast, is a great conductor, transferring energy efficiently to whatever's on it, including your egg. So next time you're tempted to try cooking breakfast on the sidewalk, remember the pavement might burn your feet, but not your omelette. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.